Hey guys, welcome back. Craig here again, howtopest.com. We have another product for you. This is InVade Bio Drain. This is made by Rockwell Labs. This is a green product. It is fantastic for your drains. You can use this in mopping applications. You can use this in spraying applications. You can use this in foaming applications. Now I'm going to tell you how and why. Your drains get dirty. They get organic buildup in them. So especially you restaurants, guys, pay attention to this one. Your drains, when you sweep the stuff down them, it becomes a breeding ground for those drain flies, fruit flies, and so on. So when that organic matter builds up, they go in there and they hide in it. So when you dump water down it, it doesn't do any good. They're hiding in the circumference of that drain. That's where biodrain is going to come in. This is going to go into those drains and it's going to eat that stuff up. You've heard of probiotics? This has microbes in it. It's going to go in there, and they're good microbes, and they're all natural, and they're going to eat all that stuff up. So how you use this, let's do a drain application. Most floor drains, they're going to be about 4 inches. This is going to take about 4 ounces of this product. You want to coat the drain. It's pretty thick stuff, but you want to take it. It has a little application nozzle right here, and you can squirt it around the drains. So if your drains are used all the time, then this is going to be an as-needed type product. If it's a maintenance thing, you're going to do this once a week. If it's drains that have not been used for a while, then you need to fire up the warm water. You need to run or put down at least 1 to 2 gallons of warm water to kind of get it moist in there. Then you're going to come in here and you're going to put approximately 4 ounces of this product down and make sure you coat well around the area, whether that be it means you're going to use the bottle like this, or you're going to put it on some type of like sponge and wipe it in there yourself. It's just as easy to pop this up though and get it in there. It'll kind of run down on the sides and it'll coat. Now, if these drains have not been used in a while or you have a lot of organic buildup, I'm going to recommend, especially you restaurant owners, you bar owners, take those drain covers off, take some type of brush, clean that up well, and then do the process we just talked about. It's going to be the warm water, and then it's going to be the bio drain. You're going to do it every other day for these infestations. Every other day for a week. Then back it off to once or twice a week, and then maybe once a week. And this is for those heavy use areas like restaurants. Homes, you're just going to use this as needed type thing. Do it like we just talked about. Get the drain nice and wet. If the drain's used all the time, you're going to want to coat this first and not use it for a while, maybe 24 hours. Let it get in there and eat that stuff up before you start using that water again and washing it away. The bio drain can also be used in your sprayers and your mops. So let's say you restaurant owners have the yellow mop buckets. It's going to take 4 ounces of this in one of those buckets full of warm water. You can mop the floors with it. You can get behind your stoves, your ovens, things like that, where debris gets built up, and let this stuff go in there and eat it away. What I haven't told you about, it's also an odor eater too. So it's going to go in there and it's going to eat up those bad odors. So killing all the organic matter that's in there, wiping out the odors, taking away the breeding ground for those flies. Also, you restaurant owners that have, the funniest thing right now is I've got a Roomba vacuum going right now, and all I can do is watch it run over the cord that we're filming with right now. It's hilarious. But anyways, back to the bio drain. The soda machines that have the drain tray, you get that sugary built up from the syrups. You can clean that, but you can maintain it with the bio drain. Great product for those also. It is perfectly safe for all those drains. Bath drains, floor drains, the drain trays we just talked about in the soda machines, and so on. This product is so versatile. We told you it's a green product. It comes in a 1 quart. I think this is a 1 quart bottle this comes in. And 4 ounces is the typical treatment. Now, if we go into a sprayer, any type of pump sprayer, it's going to be 4 to 8 ounces. It's going to be the same thing for you guys that use foaming equipment. You want to foam the drains with this. Great idea. 4 to 8 ounces, but you also, if you use a foam machine, you know you need your foaming agent to help it produce that foam. That's going to be about, I think that's about 2 to 4 ounces of the foaming agent. We'll get that, you know, get your foaming going in the machine, and then just hit those drains till it comes out like a shaving cream, and you'll definitely take care of it that way. I like the foaming aspect of it because it just kind of goes in there and you know you're done when it starts to foam back out. and then you move on to the next drain. Um, Anything else I can think about with InVade Bio Drain? It's a great product by Rockwell Labs. It's another product that's been on the market for a long time, and it is used by a lot of pest professionals. But you restaurant owners, you food establishment owners, this is something great to have on hand. So I would recommend having a couple bottles of this and doing a maintenance program with your drains. Any questions about BioDrain, reach out to us, howtopest.com. Hopefully we answered all the questions. We'll have questions on the website as well with answers from people that have shot us questions that way. If you have any, call us, email us. We're happy to help. Craig again, howtopest.com. Have a great day, guys.